back, everyone. It's been a little while. Today's mods that we're doing or installing is Billetworks short shifter, Go Fast Bits part 5702. It's the whistling trumpet. The reason why I got 702 instead of 701 is because 702 is better for like low boost. So I'm not really, like, you want the sound to come out at a lower PSI rather than high PSI. And then the Go Fast Bits Blow-off Valve. Nice little sticker. And this is the response. And this is removable, so you can take this off and put the trumpet that you want on. So that's how that'll be installed. Comes with hardware and a key, so you don't have to worry about tools, but I would still recommend bringing tools. And then the shift knob, also from Billetworks, that I ordered in performance, I believe this is performance blue, and then in Korean lettering. You can see that the lighting's kind of and it's weighted, so it's pretty like beefy, I would say. And that goes on top of this. Happy Halloween to everyone. This is how I'm gonna spend my Halloween. Probably just get sound clips after and just enjoy the night. But yeah, let's install the blow-off valve first. One outlet. This is supposed to go to this plug. The previous owner plugged it off, but this is supposed to have a tube that goes back. And then let's compare it to the new one. So here's the new one. You get an outlet, and then you also have the recirculating part, which is the same as this. But the thing about the response, you can twist this collar right here and it opens your recirc. So for now, we're just gonna close it all the way so we get the trumpet noise when we let off the throttle. And it already comes with a gasket, so you just have to line it up and then bolt it on, plug on the hose, and you're good to go for put everything back and go on a test drive. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I think I have to have the windows up, but the exhaust is too loud. Oh, damn, that's a nice blue Evo 8. That thing was clean. Go see if we can catch it. I doubt it. Alright, we need to drive normally. But I do think the exhaust is too loud. I'm gonna put it in normal mode. It does kind of worry me that I can't see my camera anymore because I changed the mounting point. But I think I need to put the mic in the engine bay for you guys to hear it. Alright, let's just put it in normal mode and see if you can hear it. It's not, I don't know, you can't really hear it. I think it's because I don't make enough boost, I'm gonna be honest. But this is that Evo 8. It looks pretty insane. The valve is on full recirc, so I don't know, or not recirc, atmosphere. But I don't know, maybe after a tune it might be louder. Because I'm like full throttle, but I'm not, I'm like shifting at 4K. But for some reason you can't really hear it. So I think the mic needs to be in the engine bay for you to hear it, because the exhaust is just too loud. But we will not speed over here because there is a lot of cops that love to hide. So we'll just drive normally. And then when we fill up for gas and drive somewhere else, we'll try to get better sound clips. Or I'll put the mic in the engine bay. I don't know if my camera has enough light for this, if I'm being honest. Oh! It just fell. It fucking fell off. That sucks. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Unfortunate. The lens protectors are cracked at least. I'm glad. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm glad I bought those protectors. Those were what, 50 bucks? The camera was 500, so I just saved 450 technically. But I think I can just get replacement lenses. Oh my gosh, that really sucks.